Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm starting another collective haul because I have some products which I've recently bought during Black Friday sales and some of them even before, which have not the object of a actual complete haul, but I thought that I might introduce them and make a collective haul. I have done previously another video which I've had the same approach, so now I will do the same. I have a feeling that the second part of this haul will probably contain the products I will buy during the winter sale or so. I wasn't buying so much during Black Friday. I don't know exactly what happened to me, but I was more calm. I'm on the point now where I'm feeling that I have so much makeup that I don't need the urge to buy everything it's on sale. But of course there are some products which caught my attention, and if they are on sale then I will go straight forward and purchase them. While I was searching for another brush, actually on the Zoeva website, I have found they have this collection which is called Positively Beautiful Brush Set. And inside you have 4 eye brushes. And I love the fact that they don't give you a liner or a brow brush, which I usually don't use, so they are a bit unuseful for me. From this reason I don't buy so many brush collections or brush sets. They were giving on this set the 231 Luxe Petite Crease brush, then the 228 Luxe Crease brush. The next brush is coming is the 227 Soft Definer. Look on this beautiful bow. Come on, focus. It's too shiny, but yeah, there is a bow. And this is a brush that you can use it either to define the shadow on your transition area, you can use it to pat the shadow on your lid, you can even use it for your under eye area. The shape is similar with the E25 from Sigma, just that E25 is smaller and that I feel this is more fluffy. And I love the fact that the handle is not that long like is the one from Sigma. And the last brush from this collection, it is the 230 Luxe Pencil, which is your classical pencil brush. And I don't have enough of these brushes. I prefer to smudge the shadow underneath my lower line. You can pack the shadow on an inner corner, or even to detail if you want to add just some shadow here on the outer V. Another brush that I purchased and I thought it would be fun to show you is this. Okay, let's pull it out from the tube. Is this nice star, beads, whatever you want to name it, brush. And you won't ever guess which is the brand that has put out this brush for their holiday collection. So this brush is by Essence. It is really soft. I think I don't have another brush from Essence, or no, I'm lying. I think I have one crease brush from them, but for the money that I spent for it, I cannot believe that it's so soft. I paid 99 Czech crowns, so $4 for such a good quality of a brush. And so fun, you will never find. And my daughter is obsessed with this brush. For a 2.5 years old, this is something fascinating. Oh yeah, she is today exactly 2.5 years old because she was born on June 4, so today we are in December 4, so yeah. Happy 2.5 years old to my daughter. I have a feeling that this video will go up after the actual holidays, but who knows. Next I have a product that I was speaking about in one of my Vlogmas video, if I'm not wrong. And this is a set that I was hunting. It is from Milk Cosmetics and it contains 7 products. So I'm really excited to open it for you because I was keeping it on this makeup bag or pouch or so. So you have a couple of their primers. You have, of course, in travel size. So this is the cooling water. It's just a, as the name itself says, a cooling gel, cream gel that you apply to cool down your face. Then we have the watermelon brightening serum. Doesn't have any scent to it, so it looks like this. Also, I don't see anything by swatching, so I don't know. We will see how it works. That this product, I haven't used it yet, is the Hydro Grip Primer Base. Ooh, this is so exciting. This is more jelly formula. Also doesn't have any scent. Next we have a Glimmer Glow Oil Lip. Ooh, this is so exciting. What is that? Ooh. Okay, so this is a balm, or sort of, that you will apply on your lips. I'm yet to try that. I don't know if I can do it right now. I'm wearing another lipstick. Yeah, not bad. I love it. It's really moisturizing. And I love the safety cap they have put on all of their products. Okay, I have the highlighter, the cream highlighter from them. This is in the shade Blitzed and swatches like this, and here on the top. So I think it's really pretty and will work great against my skin tone, so I'm looking forward to try that. The 6th product is the bronzer, matte bronzer in shade Baked. It looks like this, but let me show you something. I have another one. I'm not sure if this is a full size or so. I've got it in, I think, Cohorte beauty box. So I will swatch it on my hand just to have a clue how it looks like. So this is the matte bronzer. So I will put aside this travel size and I will give it to one of my friends. And the last product that is in this kit or on this set is their Kush mascara, which looks like this. Again, I will make the disclaimer that I will no longer open mascaras that I am not planning to use immediately, because if I open a mascara and I will use it after a couple of weeks, months or so, the initial quality, it will be lost. So yeah. Between Christmas and New Year I was also traveling to Austria and I've purchased a couple of products from Müller. I've got this brush from Body and Soul. It was really cheap, €1.50, and I needed another shader brush, and I actually preferred the synthetic ones because are more tend to grip the product and apply it to your lids. So also the color, it's fun. I don't have anything like this on my collection. So yeah, there's that. Then I bought a face wash by Terra Naturi just a regular face wash with aloe vera, because I'm going so fast through my face wash and sometimes it's not so handy to order it online, so I said better to have something on my cabinet. Then I bought also from Terra Naturi a lavender hand cream, which also contains some babasu. I have no idea what means babasu in German, and olive oil. Okay, olive and oil, it's olive, but I have no idea what it means, babasu oil. So if you know German, please enlighten me. This is a soft and silk waxing face stick or so. And what you have here, it is a pen that it contains wax, and also you have some paper sheets that you will use together to remove the face hair. So I got these because I'm planning to give a more sharp form to my brows. I have some hair here which I'm not so comfortable to pluck it with my tweezers, so I wanted something that will do a better job faster. So I will let you know if it is working or not. And a couple of products from Catrice that are not available here on Czech Republic. First is their Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. So this is a face primer. You have here 1 ounce. It has a nice scent to it, not so powerful, and yeah, I can tell this side of the hand it's a bit more matte. I went back on the memory lane and I've seen they have a actual product that is something nostalgic for me. This is their Rock Couture liquid liner in shade Vinyl Black. It has a brush. So this is how I started to apply my liquid liner back in time, like 20 years ago or so, when you didn't have the option to have some pen eyeliner format or so. I love the brush that it's not too long or too short. And the last product that I bought from Catrice is their mineral bronzer. They have a clean line of face products, of makeup products or so, and this is their mineral bronzer. So this contains also as an SPF 15, and I have it in the shade light medium. Actually I ruined it a bit. I destroyed it a bit because it was sitting on the bag that I bought it and the lid was not properly closed. You have this elastic that you should put it on the top, but somehow I didn't put the elastic, so some other products were in contact with it. Okay, this is everything I bought from Austria, and now I have the last product that I will show you on this collective haul. And those are coming from Cult Beauty. So this is the package that I received 2 days ago from Cult Beauty. I only have 2 products and 2 samples that I want to share with you. I was really on the hunt for a high-end mascara. Not mascara, high-end concealer. And I know people that were saying that this Power Play concealer by CoverFX, it's a good hydrating concealer. So also I know that CoverFX is a clean brand, so I went ahead and purchased it. And it has this really interesting applicator. It's not a doe foot applicator, but sort of. I don't know what their intention was. What I can tell about this concealer is that it's a bit drier than my Catrice and it sets a bit better, but I've also noticed that it's sinking a bit onto my fine lines. But it's not bad, it's an actual decent concealer, so I think I need to apply a bit of more moisturizing product on my under eye area, and I can get away with wearing this concealer without creasing. I have noticed that it lasts a bit longer on my under eye area and doesn't fade so much on the inner corner. And the second product that I bought from Cult Beauty, and I'm so excited about because I was also raving about it, that I wanted for Christmas. It came 2 weeks later after Christmas. Not such a big deal. Is the ABH and JK Aina eyeshadow palette. I think I've butchered her name on my previous videos. I think I said Alna or so, I don't know why. But yeah, her name is JK Aina. And I'm wearing it today. I've also done a look with this palette, just I didn't record it. I love every shade of this palette. I don't know how is it possible, but the color story of the palette, it is so nice. I only want to say that I don't have a light enough transition shade for me. So usually if I need a lighter transition, I will mix the Supreme with the ginger, because ginger is a bit darker for me, at least for the winter, but I can live with that. And today I'm wearing the shade Supreme and Pinker on transition and on crease area. Sorry, the brush went down. And on my half part of the lid I have the Soleil or so, and the second part, the half part of the lid, it contains the shade Wiggle. I'm not able to say it. I'm tempted to do a makeup with this, but maybe I have another better idea to do a collab video with a friend of mine that I know she also loves this palette. So if she's watching this video and she's into it, let me know, please, yeah? So I will not say the name, but you know who you are. Of course, every time I'm purchasing on Cult Beauty, they are spoiling me with really good samples. So I was able to choose the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is a tiny little size, travel size mascara. And I've also got a sample of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation, which I was planning to try it, to test it. I'm on the shade 4 Fair. So maybe I will try it together with you on another video. But yeah, this is everything I bought lately. I think I don't have anything sitting here around that is waiting for filming, and now I can finally remove everything for packaging and start enjoying and playing with the product. So a big thank you to all of you, and also if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do it so. Follow me on my social. Please let me know if you have tried some of these products and what do you think about them. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'm looking forward to see you on my next video, and I wish you all to have a great, blessed day ahead.